Stop memorizing hundreds of LeetCode problems and instead focus on the patterns to help you ace any interview. Today we're looking at overlapping intervals. Use this when you need to merge or consolidate ranges, when you have to schedule meeting rooms or detect conflicts, and finally when you have gaps or missing intervals. Let's take a look at a couple of cases. In the first case, there is no overlap between A and B. However, in the second case, there is. We need to use the formula that the merged interval is the minimum between the start of A and B and the maximum between A and B's end. And if you see that visually, it actually makes a lot of sense. In the next case, we have B overlapping with A. We use the same exact formula. And finally, the last case is once again, there is no overlap. Let's have a look at an example. In this case, I want to insert the interval 4-8 into the list of intervals. Let's draw that out. This is the input. Now let's add the interval to add in, which is 4-8. So first we start by scanning 1-2. There's no overlap there, so for the output, I just carry 1-2. However, in 3-5, there is overlap, so I need to use my formula in order to expand the interval. For 6-7, it's just contained with it, and finally 8-10, I expand again. Finally, we go to 12 and 16, there's no overlap, so we just carry it down. If you'd like to learn every single LeetCode pattern that you absolutely need to know for all your tech interviews with coding templates and LeetCode questions to solve, be sure to check out my blog at blog.codeinmotion.io. If you'd like to see the Blind 75 list in animated format, be sure to check out my YouTube channel.